guys, my name is Mark. Welcome to my first ever video. This will be about my first ever solo hike in the Lake District. So I'm planning to go to Helvellyn via the famous Striding Edge. Yeah, so I haven't been to this place yet. I've only seen videos about it, and yeah, I like what I saw. I like the challenge, so pretty stoked about it. So I can't wait for tomorrow. But right now it's already 10:47 and I haven't finished packing my things up yet. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's already 7 a.m. here and I still feel very sleepy. So I was thinking I'm just gonna cancel all this and just relax here at home. What are you talking about? I was just kidding. I'm just gonna have a quick shower and eat my breakfast and have my daily dose of caffeine, and then I'll be good to go. I believe so. Okay, so I already had my breakfast, had some coffee. I feel fresh. Let's go.
Twitter, Snapchat, just to let them know that cancelling a train at 10:30 and
Alright, so I have now arrived in Penrith and I'll be waiting for my bus to Glenridding. So I still have a lot of time to spend around here. The next bus will be on 3:30. Right, so I haven't had my lunch yet. Very hungry already. Good thing there is McDonald's here, right in the corner. So I'm gonna have my lunch first while waiting for my bus. Okay, so I'm now here in McDonald's. Gonna have my lunch. So I'm just gonna take my time here because the bus is still like an hour away from now. Ordered a sweet chili wrap. Okay, let me tell you something. The weather right now is not really good. Clouds are so gloomy. Seems like it's gonna rain anytime soon. But it's all good.
Oh, I'm winning that.
What's going on there, mate? It's my friend right here. Playing Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Hello guys. So I'm finished eating my lunch. So as you can see, I put on another layer. It's getting cold out here. Hopefully the bus will be coming anytime soon. So I'm on my way now to Glenridding, where I will be staying for 2 nights, and it's just literally just me alone in this whole bus right now. What's up? I'm now here in Glenridding. Such a lovely place. Man, look at the view. So the place that I will be staying is like a 25-minute walk from here. So I'm just gonna explore this place first. Alright, so I'm done getting my drone shots. Man, and the weather is so nice. The sun, I wasn't expecting the sun to come out at this hour. Actually, I was expecting a little bit of rain, as what I have seen in the forecast. But yeah, it's amazing. It's so lovely. Look at this place, man. All right, so now I'm going now to YHA Helvellyn. That's the place where I'm staying for 2 nights. So let's go. Hello. 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 Okay. It's already 6:44 in the afternoon. The sun is still out, and I'm starting to catch my breath now. The path is actually kind of steep, but I love it. Look at the view. Hello. What's that? Finally, I'm here. YHA Helvellyn. So this is my room. Yeah. So now I can finally relax. So this is the shower room. Nice. Hello. Alright, so I don't know how to say this, but it's very funny. I did not know that their kitchen will close at 8 o'clock. And it's already 8:30. So I wasn't able to buy my dinner. Good thing the staff in the reception is very nice. So this is my dinner, guys. So they gave me some fruit, a banana, an apple, and a brownie. What's up, guys? It's already 11:18 here in the evening, and I'm still wide awake, which is not part of the plan. I was actually planning to sleep early for the hike tomorrow, but I was just sitting there in the cafe, which is the only part of the space that wherein you can connect to the internet. So yeah, I was watching Kendall Jenner's interview with Jay Shetty, which was just released 8 hours ago. So yeah, it was a nice interview, especially when you're here up in the mountains, listening about openness, vulnerability, coming from someone like Kendall Jenner. So yeah, I finished the whole video. It was like 53 minutes. And after that, I wasn't contented. I tried to watch Kobe Bryant's interview with Jay Shetty as well, but I didn't finish it. I watched just like half of it, and man, Kobe is really something else. What an amazing dude. But I did not finish it because I really need to go to sleep now. And yeah, I'll continue to watch it tomorrow after my hike when I come back. So it's time to sleep. Alexa, turn the lights off. Hi guys. Good morning. Wow. Look at that. Helvellyn. I can't wait to climb to the summit, honestly. But I need to eat my breakfast first. So actually I was planning to hike early, like 6 o'clock. But because I wasn't able to have a proper meal last night, so there was a change of plans. Because I don't want to go hiking with an angry stomach, isn't it? So yeah, but look at the weather, it's so good. I'm super duper excited. Can't wait to see the view from the top. So yeah, I just need to eat first. Man, let's go.
You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard.
What's up, guys? The sun is out. Like, out. So my sunglasses is out as well. Weather's perfect. It's sunny, but it's kind of cold already here. So we're now starting our hike to Helvellyn via the Striding Edge. Let's go. So you have the option for the easy route, which is this one. If you want to avoid the edges, or this way if you want to go to the Striding Edge. Yeah, it says here Red Tarn, and this is where we're going. Alright, still a long way to go, guys. Need to climb that one. Just wow. Okay, I'm starting to catch my breath now. It's actually pretty steep. I'm not even halfway there yet. Hi guys. You alright?
Yes.
So this is the famous Red Tarn, just right beyond this stream of water. So I have to go back to this way and go to the hole in the wall, and then up there towards the Striding Edge, right there, up to the summit. Still a long way to go. Alright guys, so I didn't have to go to the hole in the wall. I find a shortcut right here, right to the start of the Striding Edge.
she was anti-vaxxer. Yeah. Exhausting.
Yeah.
Luckily they're sort of giving up now. They don't need to exist anymore, anti-vaxxers. So how's your audacity to go back to school? Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm now here just right at the start of the striding edge. I just decided to have a sit and just relax and enjoy the view here. And also there's a lot of people already trying to cross the ridge, so just wait a little bit, enjoy the view, because I don't want to be in a queue doing the scrambles. Hello. What's up, guys? Finally made it to the summit. This is what it looked like. Man, the final climb up to here was the hardest for me. It was very steep, but yeah, I made it. The view is just magical up here. Look, guys, I'm still here at the summit, chilling. I'm just gonna eat my lunch. I deserve to eat my lunch after that climb. Man, I feel amazing up here. Woo! So guys, I just came down from the summit. I passed through the swirly spiral. I forgot anymore what they call it, but yeah, something like that. Spiral edge. But the lesson that I learned is that I hate going down more than going up. Going down is more scary for me. I don't know with you guys, but yeah, I like going down. But anyway, I'm done with the hard part, so I'm going back now to YHA Helvellyn. Man, this beer tastes like heaven. Hi guys, finally back here in YHA. So yeah, I made it. I survived Helvellyn. And what I can say is that beer tastes like 100 times better when you just came down from the mountain, especially when it's a hard climb. So yeah, I call it a hard climb. It was not really that easy. I don't know why. I thought it was easy because I saw some videos in YouTube, like they made it look easy, but yeah, it was hard, especially the final climb towards the summit in Helvellyn. It was very steep, and then the last one was going down to the swirling edge. I find it difficult. I like climbing up more than going downwards. It scares me. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe I just don't know the technique or whatever. Anyway, I'm still a beginner. This is my first solo hike, and I don't think it's that bad. I mean, I had fun. It was, man, this is just the start of one of the many. I think I'll be doing more hikes in the future. I love it. Yeah. So anyway, so what I can say is that yeah, you need to plan your hike, like choose your routes, and you need to have the proper gear, like your bag, and make sure to hike light. I mean, yeah, it will really give you a problem if you go up the mountain with a heavy bag, and also a shoes that fits you well. Yeah, shoes is very important. And what I also noticed is that you need to have gloves to protect your hand, because going up you will really need to hold on to rocks, and also going down, so you need to protect your hand as well. So yeah, that's it for my Helvellyn experience. Hope you enjoy, guys. Alright, cheers. I'm gonna enjoy this one as well. It's it's just so tasty, I promise.